sto preparando i pomodori che faccio tutti gli anni. Li metto a asciugare, poi metà outside when it's a nice, mommy così. When it's nice weather, I let it dry outside, and after it finish, I'm gonna do in the oven, on a machine, okay? And when it's dry, they're gonna look very little, no? Because they're dry. And after you keep it, I keep in the freeze. When I want, I pick it up. I add this for, after I adjust with the garlic, parsley, little bit hot pepper, olive. That's it. Everybody like it. I got one like so much, Jennifer. Okay, that's it. I put in it, Tracy. Back home, we do this, put in the sun. You know what we did? When it was very dry, we was make salts, you know, very, very work. We was put them on big table, you know, and put in the sun. A sun like this year, you know. The sun was very bad. And over there, we go there and like move it up, you know. After we put in, was one thing called a sedaccio. Hence we supposed to do. After they put a salt, after they put in a big jar like that. You know that jar clay over there. I use it for all the time. When I put over there, finish, they put the olive on the top. When they need, you go there and pick it up with a spoon, little bit. Salsa tastes good, eh? Like that, but it's a lot of work. Oh, come on. But now it's a lots of machine, you know? Everything easy to do, okay? When I started, no was a machine, okay? I was dry outside, and after I put in the oven. I finish. I gotta look all the time, you know? I put 150. They dry very good, you know? A little bit outside, a little bit inside in the oven. Yeah. After I buy this one. Yeah. No, two already. One no work good, you know, because all the time, you know. After I want to buy another one. I like to do these things, you know. That's say easy, but take a longer time. You know, maybe for this one, you pick it up a little bit, you know, because of the string. Hey, no, I don't make it for me. I make it for them. You know, I keep a little bit because I like it, you know. Sometimes they come home, I like to make it too, you know. That's it. Pasquale, when the time we make a salsa, no? He like to do. Make a bottiglia, everything. Yeah. And nice and neat. You don't want nobody run. You want to do everything. No one advice for nobody. That's I did in Italy. That's I do over here. That's it. What are you going to do? And that's the life. Work